Today, we are going to be writing the formula for the ionic compound strontium sulfate. So let's work from left to right. I first see strontium, so I'm going to scan the periodic table to find where strontium is. And I found it. It's in group 2. It's like right over here. Strontium is labeled as Sr. And all elements in group 2, they're all metals. They're alkaline earth metals. And they all have a common charge of being a +2. So I'm going to say Sr, strontium, and it's a +2 charge. Now I move on to the second part, sulfate. Remember guys, anything that ends in an ATE is a polyatomic ion. And remember, polyatomic ions are never on the periodic table. You got to memorize them. So I wrote down what sulfate is, all right? So just remember that sulfate is always SO4 with a -2 charge. So that's what I'm going to write, SO4 with the -2. Now, I have both components and I have both charges. I'm just going to crisscross them to see how many of each element I need. This 2 crisscrosses down, telling me that I should have 2 sulfates. And then this 2 crisscrosses down, telling me that I should have 2 strontiums. But here's the thing, if you have an ionic compound and you have the same number that's greater than 1, in this case I have both 2's, I have to simplify. The thing is that ionic compounds always need to be in their simplified form. So you always simplify by dividing. In this case, I can divide both by 2 to get a lower number, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that's the number that I'm going to be using when I make my formula. So now I'm ready to go. Let's see, I got strontium, Sr. I only have 1 now, so I don't have to write it. And then I have 1 sulfate, so I just write SO4. And that's it. So strontium sulfate is Sr, SO4. Thank you so much for viewing the video. I really hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you want to help us out. Like the video, just so that, the word gets back to me to just see that I'm doing my job properly here. All right. Hope you guys are doing well. Good luck on your future tests and quizzes, and I will see you in future lessons. Bye-bye.